What's up, everybody? My brother playing Call of Duty, and I bet you $5 he's gonna die or go down. I like round 7.
Round 7. Okay, I'll show y'all. I'll show y'all. Move your body. I need see. Move your body. Move your body.
Bro,
Someone already took that power, you dummy. Something new. Somebody already took it. How you open this?
you need the fucking Medusa shit. Medusa hoe. The hoe.
Marusa, bring her ass here.
Boy. Bring that ass
I
here,
ain't
girl.
getting killed yet. Where they at though?
You stink. First kill of the day.
Oh, I know how to do that. I can do that. No, I can't.
The curse. This nigga.
Why did never rebuild the barrier? I don't understand. They
Because
never
people
do.
just like you think G sucks.
Ooh, I got Muna. I got Muna.
Shoot that shit. That's nasty. Shoot it. Like, drop a bomb on it.
That's some weird type of shit.
Drop a bomb on it.
Stop taking it away, you bummy.
Drop a bomb on it.
Open this dang door. Medusa. What is that though? Open. It's like the top of octopus or something. A live octopus.
That bitch look like Medusa. Medusa. Visasi Medusa. Me like I'm a Munadi.
He's already dead. Dang, I already killed it. You don't have to throw a bomb or
Munani. Like I'm a Illuminati. You know, man. That's why your butthole dry.
Well, I'm gonna give you water, okay? This is water. I got the most money ever.
Right now it's round 3.
Why they opening this door?
Because that's where the mystery box is.
No. This is your food. Not even considered.
Bro, you shot both of your shoulders.
Okay, water. Actually, that's the milk.
Isn't that where the thing is? No, it isn't.
This creepy ass thing. You found this guy. Where
Oh
you going?
shit, jump down, nigga.
Okay. That's hot too. I'm jumping down.
He's in the face already? Sheesh. He's in the phase, bro. He's in the phase.
You like that? I'm moving right down.
You know you can open the door, right?
Move your body.
That walk. Hey, it's a that what? That what? You a that what? You a thotty. You a thotty doing the thought walk. Thought walk. Hey.
I can't open it.
Nigga, it says the things on it, bro.
I can't shoot it. I can't shoot this. Open up. Yes.
This nigga done. Yo, these zombies running like a thigh. That was.
Someone's already down. There's dumbass.
Baby, how you doing? You suck. What I say, guys? I say he was gonna go down the 7th round, but I'm wrong. He went down on the 4th round. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Somebody come revive me. Dude. butt here.
Straight down.
Thanks, bro. I'll block you.
You're
Where are
moving.
you?
Can't revive you because you move too much. Oh, you're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Revive me, you dumbass! Thank you! Got love for that. Thanks, bro. This ugly thought, guys. Oh.
Vibrate them fuck.
Time to become the beast. Let's go. Y'all wanna mess? Y'all wanna mess? Bring your butt over here. Where you going? Where you going?
Bitch, where? Bitch, where?
Let's
You
keep
niggas
up-
climb a building, I think. Try to jump up. Like, these niggas crazy with that. That's dope, right?
Yep, that's it. The curse, please. I am the curse. I'll curse you to you sleep. What is this? Y'all need to get a gun. I'm becoming the beast. The beast. The beast. The beast. I'm the beast every time when I make that beat. That beat. That beat. That beat. That beat. That beat.
You killed it.
Get those little girls. This is impossible. Getting those little bats.
You did get some though. You didn't even get one, bro.
We're hard. Come here. Stop moving. You got a max ammo, though?
Max.
Oh, that's it. It sounded like it said ammo. Or at least did it.
You said Max.
Do not get that. That gun is horrible.
No, it isn't.
But I don't like that. I'm trying to open this door, but I don't understand.
The curse is not sticking. The curse is awake. What do you mean killed? They're already dead, nigga. Stupid.
Hi.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, become the beast. They become the beast.
They're all running away from me, bro.
Become the beast. Y'all a boss. You rocking everyone like. I died, dang it.
Oh, I was wrong. Oh wait, I was right. Seventh round. He went down.
Stop, girl.
His whole team is gonna go down. Watch. What I say? What I say? Put you gonna go down. That's sad. Wow.
You see, they needed me. I'm way better than all these people.
Deuces.